Imagine a miracle small enough to fit into this tiny vial. This miracle is the work of people with extraordinary skill and dedication, people who join together to make a difference. The story of Sanofi Pasteur is filled with remarkable contributions that have altered the face of medical history, accomplishments that have helped make us the largest company in the world devoted entirely to human vaccines. Our heritage spans over 100 years of innovation, including the first large-scale production of polio vaccines and a leading role in the eradication of smallpox. Today, we carry on that legacy by producing a wide range of safe and effective vaccines and immunotherapeutic products. Globally, we produce more than 1.6 billion doses of vaccine every year, enough to help protect more than 500 million people. We begin in the research department, where scientists tackle many challenges to create new vaccines. The next step is to determine how to produce a vaccine on a large scale. The larger the scale, the more challenging it is to remain consistent. Sanofi Pasteur has the philosophy that quality is built into the process and not just the product, meaning that the millionth dose must be as effective as the first. We put strict demands on all of our equipment. Materials must be able to withstand extreme sterilizing temperatures or harsh chemicals. We'll use one of our pediatric combination vaccines as an example of our manufacturing process. Technicians put growing medium and the vaccine culture seeds into industrial-scale fermenters. The fermenter is then warmed to body temperature, and within a day or two, the vaccine seed material has multiplied to produce the necessary components for the specific vaccine. Centrifuges, chemical reactions, and chromatography columns, 50 different processes in all, separate and purify the compounds we need for the final vaccine. Quality is rigorously tested through every stage of the process. Then all vials are washed and sterilized in one process. They are filled with the vaccine, sealed, and checked 6 different ways for cracks, particles, opacity, and seal. To check for impurities, the vials are spun at 1000 RPM and then stopped abruptly. A camera scans 5 images, and if the computer detects any moving particles, the vial is rejected. We sell our products in over 180 countries around the world. With vastly different climates and conditions, maintaining the cold chain is critical, because vaccines must be kept consistently at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. So whether the shipment is bound for the remote Arctic or Central Africa, the appropriate shipping container and inserts ensure that an appropriate temperature range is maintained. A temperature monitor constantly records temperatures of the package contents in order to document maintenance of the cold chain. At Sanofi Pasteur, every single procedure is documented and verified. Production environments are strictly controlled and monitored. Raw materials and final products are tested. Quality operations, regulatory affairs, entire departments are dedicated to even the smallest details. There's also an administrative umbrella over the production of our vaccines, people who communicate with all the regulatory bodies. Marketing specialists who make the benefits of our products known throughout the world. Planning experts who weave together projections and production schedules so that our vaccines are ready and delivered on time. And people in sales who ensure that our customers have the right information and products when and where they need them. It is a meticulous and involved process to manufacture vaccines. It's a huge responsibility, one we take very seriously. The dedication and expertise that gave rise to our legacy is contained in every vial we deliver today and every hope we have for tomorrow. As we invest more than 1 million euros each day in research and development, because we imagine a world in which one day no one will die of a vaccine-preventable disease. It's not just our passion, it's a commitment. Sanofi Pasteur, partnering for global health.